Hello guys, welcome back in Devil Coding. So hopefully you are fine and enjoying the good health and wearing the mask and wash the hand with hand wash. So today we start our new tutorial on Autodesk123d. It's actually the software that design the 3D objects, structures and multiply task. So today we learn something about it, like its features, its components, and what we can do with it. So let's start our journey. So I have already installed the setup. So I give you the little view overview about this. So this is our Autodesk 123. So I click on it and open it by this. So this is our main path, your main sketch, you can say. This is our selective window. This is our components window. And this is our scrollbar that new, opening the new window, open some file, save copy, import. You want to import 3D model, SVG sketch in the form of sketch of 2D, SVG as a solid in the solid form. Export as 3D, it has some types that you can store your file. 3D print, if you want a 3D printer, send to 123d make, exit, it will close the window. I have already make some projects, so I show you. This is the house making. You can see it's look beautiful. So let's start with some features. Firstly, we start from here. This is the pen. Pen actually move the screen. Pen actually move the screen. Right, left in 2D plane. Okay. Next is orbit. Orbit is the circular. It will move in a circular path. Next is zoom. It will zoom the place. Next is fit. It will fit the objects in a specific path. Next is materials only. It has some materials, outlines, materials and outline. Next is show SolidWorks. So it will show this path. When you show SolidWorks, show sketches. It will show sketch, hide sketch. It will hide it. Next is grid availability. When you press it, it will grid. It will show grid, and when you press it will off the grid. It says capture screenshot. Next is the snapping tool that will snaping the object, and last is toggle snapping that is used to snapping it in the part, specific part. Next we show our some components. Here is the component. This is move the component as I discussed before. Next is align in two boxes in a single align. Next is small skate that will measure the value of your boxes. Ruler, smart rotate, it will something rotate. Next is this is a box. So we click on it and it will be here. Again click on it, it will a sphere. Cylinder, cone, torus, it's on you what you want to use in your 3D modeling. I mostly use this box, and this is the rectangle. When we put it here, it will show like that. And this is the sketch of rectangle. I will draw the sketch of rectangle as my own choice, on my length, on my height, according to my choice. The difference between this and this is not a generic, but this is a generic. This is polygon line that will draw not even a line but also a circle at a specific angle. And next is also something very cool object 3. sketch flat, offset. It's some projects if you want to sketching from another project. Next is this one, exclude. Exclude mean this will exclude when I click on it, and this become 2D to 3D. So it's look beautiful when you use it. This is pressing, pulling inside. This is the tweak that will increase its length, split faces, filter, split solids, grouping. It will like grouping, mean a group of two objects. Next is merging. Merging mean if you want to merge the two objects in one and each other. We will mostly discuss in our homemaking projects or other projects. Subtract, it will subtract the object from another object. Intersect, mostly used in homemaking dots. Measure the object. What is the object length? It will give all the detail. Measure. Next is the text. Text is also used for the texting. You want to 3D texting. Next is the snap. Snap is used to finishing up this shape. And next is the material colors. It has some materials like default, by using default depending on the software requirement. Brushed, glossy, wood, clear glass is mostly used in Windows, and here mostly when you scroll down, and here is some colors depending on your own choice. So that's our some introduction about you can buy it and you can use it free because it's a, and here is some also features. It's loading by the internet and I have no internet connection yet, so you open it and enjoy it. Hopefully you like it, and we